Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this particular video we will see the implementation of pre-order traversal of binary tree in Java as well as Python. So in this video I am starting with Python first, then move into the next, that is Java section. So the problem statement will be determine the pre-order traversal of binary tree in Python, and as usual this will be a recursive implementation, and here is the tree and we have to find the pre-order traversal of this tree, for example, and the pre-order traversal is this. So this is our desired output. So the first question which comes into our mind is what exactly is pre-order traversal. So let me write quickly. See what is we have done in order traversal. What we have done in order traversal, first we check we traverse the left subtree, then access the root node, then traverse the right subtree, right? But in this pre-order traversal, what we can do, we access the root value first, then traverse to its left subtree, and then recursively traverse to its right subtree, right? So first is root dot data, then root dot left, then root dot right. So this is the pre-order traversal procedure. These three steps we have to check, right? We have to follow. So this is the Python template of tree data structure, right? In which this is a node class along with this constructor. This is the method which we have to complete, which is used to determine the pre-order traversal, and this is the main which is used to initialize the tree as well as calling the method. In this we are calling this method by passing root in this. So without wasting any further, let me remove this line and write the code. So what we have to done in all the traversal, remember one thing, in all the traversal we have to apply the check. What is that check? The check is whether the root is none or not. If it is none, then we can't do anything, so simply return nothing. But if it is not none, then what we can do, we can follow all these three steps, right? So let's write the code. The check is if the root is none, so return nothing. If it is not none, then follow all these steps. So first is print root dot data, we are accessing it, then call the same method with different arguments, right? Preorder left and preorder root dot right, right? And I have to add and here with space so that we can read it better output. Okay, this is it. So let me run this program, and yes, this is the output we get, right? And this is the desired output. Let me verify it. Yes, this is the desired output, and this is our code output. Okay, so it is verified. So let me comment it out for you guys that accessing the root data here recursively traversing the left subtree, and the same for here recursively traversing the right subtree. Alright guys, this is it for the Python section. Now it's time to move on the Java part. So this is the Java, the same question, determine the pre-order traversal of binary tree in Java. As usual, this will be in recursive implementation. This is our tree and this is the desired output, right? Yes. So I hope you all aware about the preorder traversal. Let me quickly revise it. Preorder traversal is nothing but accessing the root node first, then recursively traverse all its left child and recursively traverse all the right child, right subtree and the left subtree, right? So this will be the node class along with its constructor. This is here constructor, and this is the main class which contain the method which we have to implement and the main method. This is the method, and this is the main method which is used to initialize the tree as well as calling the method preorder with root, right? So here we in this section, let me remove this line and write the code. The same procedure followed here also. First we have to apply the check whether the root is null or not. If it is null, then return nothing, we can't do anything. If it is not null, then follow all these three steps. What are they? First, accessing the root value, then traverse to the left subtree, and then traverse to the right subtree, right? So if root null, then what does it mean? We have to return nothing. Now if it is not null, then what we can do? We can follow all these three steps. What are they? They are first accessing the root value, then traverse to its left subtree, and then traverse to its right subtree. So I'm just printing it out. System.out.print and root.data, and this is the accessing, and then calling the same method preorder with root.left, and I have to write, and then preorder root.right, right? This is it. Let me run it. Wait, I have to add some space for better readability. Let me run this out. And this, we got the output. This is the desired output. Yes, this is the desired output, and this is our code output, and hence it is verified successfully. So let me comment it out. Okay, accessing the root data at recursively traversing left subtree and recursively traverse the right subtree. So this is it for this Java section. If you enjoyed this video, then do not forget to like, comment, share, and also do subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.